of a person. I am a mess of a person. But my eyebrows look good, always. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa. What's up? What the hell is up? Today I'm doing a chatty get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in ages. It feels like I don't know, at least 6 months. I have no idea. I just wanted to chat with you guys, chill with you, and just get ready. I've been doing a very easy, very simple look. It's what you see on my face right now. Every single day when I need to wear makeup, and you know, it's not like a special event or anything. It's very simple, it's very quick, and yeah, it's just my everyday makeup lately, and I wanted to share it with you just in case you're looking for some everyday makeup inspiration, or you know, you're looking for an easy makeup look that'll make you look awake and put together quickly. As always, it's very simple. You don't need much time or resources, you know, whatever you have is fine. This is a very basic, simple look, perfect for beginners. And yeah, if you're just looking for someone to chill with you while you get ready, I am your person. I am gonna hang out with you right now and we're gonna get ready. So let's get going. Let's go back in time to when I didn't have this on, put it on, and then I'll come back. Okay, yeah. Let's do it. So my goal for this kind of everyday look is to look fresh and awake, still with a little bit of makeup on. I still want to look put together, but it's mostly just natural makeup that will make me look very fresh and like I am a human being. So the first thing I like to start with is my primer. I'm doing the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Lately, my skin has been very blemishy, which I don't love. I've been eating better, but I just think it's like the purging of the holiday season. And also drinking, which is not good for you. My skin really hates alcohol, so I'm struggling a little right now with my skin, but yeah. Cool. Once that is done, while it's settling into my skin, I'm gonna move on to my base. I do not like to use foundation on an everyday basis. It's just not my thing. There are days when I'll use like a BB cream or something with a little SPF. Most of the time after I've applied my morning routine, I just go in with concealer and other products on top. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in number 4, which is close to my skin tone, and I'm gonna apply this to like the high points of my face. And this really gives me just a tiny bit of coverage in those areas as well. And also like, it makes me glow a little. So I like to apply it just to add some coverage, and then, you know, I'll go in with concealer on top. And something that I've been doing lately, and it's very weird, but I sort of like it, I've been applying a little bit of this to my under eyes. It just gives them like a reflective quality, and I don't know why am I sorry about that. It just gives it a reflective quality, and I don't know why I like it. I've been really into it. I don't have my beauty blender anywhere near me, so fingers it is. I guess. Okay, so I'm switching to a brush because that's just easier to spread everything around. Once our faces resemble a Tin Man, it is time to move on to concealer. I have been doing a lot of concoctions with my concealer lately. One of my greatest inventions is the LA Girl Pro Conceal plus the First Aid Beauty Hello Avocado Concealer. This one's a little bit too light for me right now. This one's a little bit too dark. Mix them together and they work magic. I like to apply this one first because it's color correcting. So LA Girl Pro Conceal just mostly for the under eyes because I have really, really dark bags under my eyes, which is very unfortunate, but such is life. And then I will go in with this one, the Fab Bendy Avocado, and just apply it as well to the under eyes and the face. And I like to go where I tend to get a little bit red with this one, and then I'll just blend everything out with this brush, the It Cosmetics Complexion Perfection brush. And then if I ever notice that I need a little bit more coverage anywhere, right now it's mainly my under eyes, I'll just apply a little bit more where I need to, and then, you know. Guys, it's a new year, it's 2020. You're not in focus, but I cannot believe that it's 2020 already and that January is going by so freaking slow. I feel like the last few months of the year always go by super fast, and then the first month of every year, so every January, is super long. But yeah, I have a few goals that I want to talk about because I don't really ever talk about this. I don't know if anyone even cares. So that's why I mainly don't talk about it. But yeah, maybe some of you do. So I'm just gonna share my thoughts while I apply some bronzer. Where's my bronzer brush? Okay, so I'm gonna do the Milk Makeup Matte Bronzer. Again, I like to go all cream whenever I'm doing everyday makeup because it's just more natural and it's a little easier and faster for me to blend than a powder. So I'll apply this. I don't really set like New Year's resolutions ever. Like, I've never just done it. I've always been a very goal-oriented kind of person, but I just, set goals whenever I feel like it. So right now I really want to work on my health and my fitness. I'm not really into fitness for looking good and stuff, even though that is a side effect of working out. I don't really have any health issues. I'm overall a really healthy person, but if I want to continue on being a healthy person and not develop anything that could possibly risk my health in the future, I really have to eat well and exercise more. Like, my body needs to move more. I am a lazy bitch and I need to work out more. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I've been doing it for a while, but this year I want to go a little bit more full out. I'm using the Glossier Cloud Paint in Dusk and just applying this to my cheeks. These last forever. And I'm just gonna use the same brush because I'm a little lazy to grab another one. Another goal I have is read more. I am already an avid reader. If you can tell by all the books that I have there, I love reading, and I find that last year I didn't read as much as I wanted to. So I need to get back on it and read a lot. I need to invest more of my time on reading. It's another goal of mine. And then obviously, like, some other, career goals, you could say. I just want to keep on learning and doing new things, new skills that will be helpful for when I actually start, like, full on working, like, in the real world. And also, like, grow my channel and my social presence, like social media presence, a lot. Just want to do that. It's been a slow ascent for me, but I'm slowly growing, and I'm thankful to everyone that follows me in my journey, but I want to just put more work into it and learn more things about lighting and editing and everything, and pictures and more writing for my blog, just things like that. So I'm gonna set everything with the Oh Hi Glass Powder. This is a really fun powder because it doesn't look powdery on the skin. I'm just gonna set the areas that I tend to get oily, so mostly the T-zone and then the chin and down here. So yeah, as I was saying, I just want to be really, really focused on expanding my knowledge on everything YouTube and Instagram and blog related. So if you have any tips, or if you've learned any skills anywhere that you'd like to share, anything that's helped you with editing, lighting, how to take better pictures and stuff, hit your girl up because I want to try and work on that this year as well. Once I'm done with that, it is time for the brows. For my brows on a daily basis, I am really lazy about it. I have really full brows. So all I do is go in with the Anastasia Brow Definer because this is really easy for me. I just fill them in very lazily and almost without any purpose. Like, you see, this is weird. And I can only do it because I have really thick brows. Otherwise, it would be a mess everywhere. But I kind of just spread it around and then clean it up. To set that, I'm using the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel in Clear, and I'm just gonna run this over my brows. And yeah, also, if you guys have any, what was I about to say? If you have any goals or any New Year's resolutions for the year, I would love to know them. Let's share them with each other. I am always trying to get you guys to comment and tell me what's going on with your life. I'm like that mom that thinks she's cool but she isn't. So yeah, if you have any cool things happening this year or any things that you want to happen this year, let me know. I'd love to chat with you about it. Once the brows are on, I'm just gonna do a quick little spritz of the Urban Decay All Nighter, and then we're gonna move on to the eyes. Super simple. For the eyes, again, I don't really do a lot on a daily basis. I just try to define my eyes, add a little sparkle. Also try to use all the things that I have in my collection because I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and I love eyeshadow, even though on an everyday basis, I don't really use up a lot of eyeshadow. So I'm priming with my Urban Decay Primer Potion because this is never ending and I love it, so I'm continuing to use it. Another thing that I'm doing a lot this year, or that I want to do a lot, is travel. So I do have a few travels in the works already with my family, and I'm planning my 21st birthday trip that I want to spend in New York because it's spring break for us here in Guatemala. So I want to spend my birthday in New York, the greatest city of the world. I've been planning that. It's gonna be super fun. I'm low-key very scared of turning 21 because what do you do when you're 21? I don't understand. Before I talk more about that, let's get a brush in here and I'm applying this Hot Spell eyeshadow. This one right here, it's from the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and you can literally use whichever you want. I just grabbed this palette for convenience. I just wanted something that would define my crease a little. I'm turning 21. I am very scared about that. I don't know. Every year since I've turned 18, I'm scared of going up because I feel like you're just more adult every time, and I don't feel like an adult. I do not look like an adult. I'm like, oh god, everyone's always telling me how I look really young. Today some guy told me I look younger than my little sister, and those comments don't really like get to me. I don't really mind looking young. I don't know, they prevent me from feeling like I'm growing, you know? They prevent me from feeling like a 20-something. I don't know. Your 20s are supposed to be about like figuring out who you are and what you want from life, and it's very overwhelming. I don't know. It's just, I feel like that sometimes, and I'm scared of turning 21, but at the same time, hell yeah, I'm gonna be able to drink literally everywhere because the only place that I'm not legal to drink yet is the US, even though I've been legal to drink here and many other places for years now. But yeah, I'm excited for that. But other than that, I'm very freaked out about turning 21. Okay, once that is done, I just want to add a little bit more sparkle to my eye to just wake it up. Is that a thing? Wake the eye up? I'm using my Natasha Denona Chroma Crystal Top Coat in Peach. And I'm just going to apply this to the lid and blend it into the crease a little bit. After that's done, I just want to add a little bit more definition to my lash line. So I'm going to go in with the Joha Make Her Jealous Gel Eyeliner. This is a brown liner, and I'm just going to tightline with it to, oh no, I can't do this and talk. Once that's done, let's, why are you not in focus? You're never focusing on me. What the hell? Once we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with mascara using Pat McGrath Labs mascara, and I'm just applying a few coats of this to my lashes. Yeah, it's my dilemma about turning 21. It's probably not gonna be anything, and then I'm not gonna be freaked out. And then when I turn 22, it's gonna be the same thing. And so on and so forth. Holy crap, I cannot help but feel like I am getting old and I have to have my shit together, which I don't. I really don't. I am like the person who has, I don't even know how to say it. I don't feel like I have my shit together. I feel like a lot of people my age, they're not like there yet, but they have an idea. I'm just riding the train, people. I don't know what the hell is going on. Now that I smudged mascara all over myself, we're done with the eyes, and the last thing I do on an everyday basis is lips. I have a lot of lipsticks. I own a lot of lipsticks, so I'm constantly changing this up. Most of the time it's a neutral though, but I could definitely do red. There are days when I do reds or something a little bit more vampy. You can literally do anything, and if you want to recreate this look and make it a lot more fancy or put together, go for a darker lip. I'm keeping it nude today. I'm using the Pat McGrath Labs Done Undone Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil, and I'm just lining my lips, overlining. Where did the sun go? Right where I needed to overline. After I've overlined my lips, and I look like a literal clown right now, if I look at myself in the viewfinder and I look very crazy, I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Matte Shaker in Nude Votion. I'm applying this to my lips, and then, yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot how much I absolutely love these. Okay, after we're done with that, just gonna do some more all-nighter setting spray, and then we will be done. Oh yes, yes, yes. I'm just gonna go wipe the smudges away, and then I will come right back to show you the finished look, okay? Yeah. As you can see, very, very easy. It's just like the bare necessities of makeup, I think. But it's a few products that'll make you look awake. You can do this in 15 minutes or less if you don't have time and you're not chatting to a camera like I am. But yeah, this is basically the makeup that I've been doing every single day when I need to wear makeup, look put together, go out and about if I don't have anything special going on. And yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? Do you love it as well? Let me know. And all that. And that is my makeup look, people. That is the makeup look that I've been doing a lot lately. Please let me know if you enjoyed it by giving this video a thumbs up. If you guys have anything you want me to film in this new year, 2020, please let me know in the comment section if there's anything, like any new challenges, a makeup look that you really want to learn how to do, or any makeup struggles that you have. I'd love to help you out. And if you enjoy my videos and just like the sun are leaving me, before you leave me, please consider, what am I saying? Oh my god, I wanted to go somewhere, but I didn't. If you're into my videos and you like easy and real makeup content, please consider subscribing. I'm here every week, and I would love if you would join. So if that's something that you want to do, please make sure to subscribe. And that is it on my end today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye everybody, I love you so much. Mwah!